Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, so make sure that you use your current account, tap at the profile icon. Right here you can click at the arrow icon and you can switch to another account or add another account. After that, go to collections. Oh no, actually you need to only click at the plus, you don't need to go to collections now. And select album. Give it a name in the title, so let's call it, I don't know, hello. And after that, click select photos. Now you can add some photos here. Just select them, click add, and now we just did it. So you can find this album if you go to collections, and right here in the albums we have it. So this one is our album. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.